Now let us see how the actual structure of these nucleic acid DNA and RNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid and ribose nucleic acid. Why the two types of nucleic acids given such name, that is DNA and RNA? That is very important. In RNA there is the ribose sugar, D-ribose sugar. But in DNA there is deoxy-D-ribose sugar. As in DNA there is the deoxy-D-ribose sugar, so the nucleic acid is called as the DNA. And in RNA there is only the D-ribose sugar, so that nucleic acid is called as the RNA. Remember that. Do you know why they are called as DNA and RNA in biology? No? Then see, this is the actual reason why DNA is called DNA and why RNA is called as RNA. Now you know that in the last lecture I told you that DNA and RNA are nothing but they are the polynucleotides chains, or they have the polynucleotide structure. Now these polynucleotide structures are made by many monomers. That monomers are nucleotides. Now these nucleotides, what these nucleotides contains actually? Nucleotides contains three basic units. First one is the monosaccharide, that is the pentose sugar. The name of that pentose sugar is furanose. Second is the nitrogenous base. There are 5 different nitrogenous bases. And third one is the phosphate unit. That is the phosphate molecule. Now that monosaccharide, that is the furanose, is also of 2 types. I already tell you, that is only D-ribose and deoxy-D-ribose. In RNA there is the ribose sugar, and in DNA there is the deoxyribose sugar. Again, out of the 5 different nitrogenous bases, the name of that nitrogenous bases are uracil, thymine, cytosine, guanine and adenine. Out of that 5 nitrogenous bases, in RNA, only in RNA, the uracil base is found. Again, out of that 5 different nitrogenous bases, only in DNA, the thymine nitrogenous base is found. And these 3, that is the adenine, guanine and cytosine, are common in both types of the nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Now after some time we will see the actual structure of these 5 different nitrogenous bases. Now see there, the structure is always asked in examination of the nucleic acid. They may be ask you the structure of DNA, or they may be ask you structure of RNA, or in short note they may ask you draw the structures and give the information or explain both types of nucleic acid, DNA and RNA. Then you must give first their actual chemical structure and description. Now see here, what is in these structural aspects of the nucleic acid. Now it is also called as the structure of nucleic acid. You may be called structure of nucleic acid or structural aspects of nucleic acid. The first important structural aspect of nucleic acid is the nucleotide. Now these nucleic acids are unbranched polymers of repeating monomers called as the nucleotides, or I already told you about that. Now these nucleic acids are nothing but they are the polynucleotide structure. They have the polynucleotide structure. Many nucleotides are joined to each other, but nucleotide is nothing but it is made from the three different components, that is sugar, nitrogenous base and phosphate molecule. This is only one nucleotide. Such many nucleotides join to each other and form the polynucleotide chain, and many polynucleotide chains form the nucleic acid. Remember that. DNA have the double helix structure as that of the stress care. Now we will see after that this. Now the DNA molecule contains several millions of nucleotides. Remember that. DNA is very complicated. It have million, 10 lakhs of the nucleotide chains. But in RNA there is only few thousands of nucleotide chains. The nucleotide monomer consists of mainly three components. Let us see on the blackboard: monosaccharide sugar, nitrogenous base and phosphate group. Now nucleotides of both DNA and RNA contains 5 member of monosaccharide, that is the sugar. We already know that the 5 member monosaccharide sugar, that is the fructose, and from fructose, when the fructose joins and forms the ring, it is called as the furanose. Remember that, because the structure is similar to that of the furan molecule. So the sugar is called as the furanose. We already see in the carbohydrates. Now generally these monosaccharide furanose is also called as simply as the sugar component of the nucleotide. In RNA, sugar components of nucleotide unit is always D-ribose. Remember that. But why the DNA is called DNA? Because in DNA the sugar is only not D-ribose, but it is 2-deoxy-D-ribose. That means at the second carbon atom, the oxygen is not present on that, and therefore deoxy-D-ribose. Now we will see after some time why it is called as the deoxy-D-ribose. Now there are total 5 nitrogenous bases. They are present in the nucleic acid, and the names of that are cytosine, uracil, thymine. These all, cytosine, uracil and thymine. There are 2 types of nitrogenous bases. 2, that means classes of nitrogenous bases. One is called as the pyrimidine, and another is called as the, that is what? Purine. Yes, purine. That is called as the purine. Pyrimidines and called as the purine. See on the blackboard. These are the 2 main groups of that of the nitrogenous bases, pyrimidine and purines. They may be asked you which nitrogenous bases are present in pyrimidines, that are cytosine, uracil and thymine, and which nitrogenous bases are present in purine, and that are the adenine and guanine. Now see here, these pyrimidine and purine are made from the parent components, and in the pyrimidines, the parent components in which only cytosine, uracil and thymines are present, that form only the one ring. Remember that there is only one ring, and in purine the parent components have the 2 rings. That is also very important. Now see, in uracil is always present only in the RNA. Remember that, uracil, and that is the thymine is only present into the DNA. Now let us see how the actual chemical structure of this nucleotide first, and then we will see the chemical structure of these all the 5 different nitrogenous bases. That is always asked into the examination. Now see how the D-ribose sugar and nitrogenous base is joined in the RNA, because D-ribose sugar is only present in RNA. Now I will show out of the 3 components only the 2 components. One is the D-ribose sugar, another is the cytosine. And how the cytosine, now see here, this nitrogenous base in the RNA, cytosine, is joined to the number 1 carbon atom here of this OH group. Now see here, the OH group is replaced by this cytosine nitrogenous base, and all the groups are same as it is. And this is only the nucleoside, because if there are the only two components out of the three, it is called as the nucleoside. And if all the phosphate with phosphate unit, then it is called as the nucleotide. So it is only the ribose nucleoside present in the RNA.